Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Kim, a member of Medaho, the most extraordinary service club in the world. Today, let me talk about measurements for elementary school students. Let's go!
Andrew's height is 1.8 meters and Morgan's height is 165 centimeters. Andrew certainly looks taller, but Morgan insists that her height is taller since her height is 165 while Andrew's is only 1.8. Whose height is really taller? In the previous video, Morgan talked about measuring perimeters and areas. Whenever she measured a length or an area, she used the expression unit square or unit length. What do they mean? Unit square and unit length is the standard length and standard area that we use to measure the areas and length. For instance, if we say an area of this shape is 15 unit squares, that means 15 unit squares fit in this shape. However, there is no standardized unit square. In easier words, from person to person and from time to time, the area of the unit square can change. Therefore, mathematicians made measurements that are accepted by everyone. Let's learn few of the key measurements. First is millimeters. As you can see, 1 millimeter is very small, so it is used to measure small lengths. For instance, inside this ant, 20 millimeters can fit, so the length of this ant can be measured as 20 millimeters. Second is a centimeter. Same as millimeter, centimeter is also a measurement for length. Although it is 10 times longer than a millimeter, still centimeter is a very short length, so it is used to measure short length. Next, we also have meters and kilometers. Meters and kilometers are each 100 times and 100,000 times longer than a centimeter, so it is used to measure way longer distances. Now going back to the height conflict between Andrew and Morgan, Andrew's height was 1.8, but the measurement was meters, which is 100 times larger than centimeters. Therefore, in centimeters, Andrew's height is 180 centimeters, and therefore Andrew is taller than Morgan, who is 165 centimeters.
Measurement time! In this video, I only mentioned the measurements for lengths, so let me introduce other measurements for different values as well. Let's go!
First is liters and milliliters. We use them to measure the volume of a liquid or a gas. Second, we have grams and kilograms. We use this to measure the mass of an object. Third, we have minutes, seconds, and hours. We use them to measure time. Finally, we also have meter square and centimeter square, which we use for measuring areas.
Other than these measurements, there are so many more measurements, so it is more important to just know the key measurements and understand how measurement works than to memorize every single type of measurements. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day.